Hi, it's the start of another year, 2015, and it's the 5th of, am I rolling? Wait, am I rolling? Yeah. It's the 5th of January 2015, and it's the beginning of another, not just a work week, but a whole year of working. And I can see in the front camera how I have gained weight. Hindi ko pwedeng itanggi, that my activities, like the eating part of it, and lots of cooking and get together have added to my weight. But I know that I'm going to lose it naman as days go by. I'm not into crash dieting or anything. Well, anyway, today is the beginning. As I said, it's just the beginning of another year, and since in my posts nga, diba, I am claiming that I have not really spent the holiday in a non-working mode like my daughter Jean Marie and and Lee. Somehow Lee is also working, diba, some days. But like si JM, holiday siya, and some days si May. But I am looking forward to the coming holiday that I think I have earned. Why? With 2015 kasi, di ba, for me personally, it comes with another set of responsibilities. Pag nag-wrap up nga ako ng mga pangyayari na 2014, which I will carry through, their significance, it's a milestone by itself. And their significance talaga will spill over and will begin, parang beginning inventory of 2015. So, medyo, just by looking and enumerating the responsibilities, the set of obligations and responsibilities, ay, nako, di ba? It can be overwhelming. But I always remember that they go hand in hand with privileges. Since I so enjoy the privileges, ganun din ang ganun din ko titingnan yung responsibility. So, for example, di ba, in one of my candid moments, di ba, iniisip ko palang, oy, ang dami ko palang obligations, financial obligations, like mga kautangan sa Tagalog. Still, the blessing part of it, the basis of my hope is the truth that kung I still have my arms, I still have my legs, and my brain is pretty much working. So, kung physically hindi talaga ako pwede ipambayad sa utang without my consent because that's forced labor and come to think of it, modern day slavery and human trafficking. That's over the limit na. Still, it's within that range of things that we can avoid given the headlines na nakikita natin on TV, diba? So, sino dapat magbayad ng utang na like 5 years ago, 10 years ago, na up to now, hindi pa nasa-settle. So, if a company or a business or individuals try to extract payment from my next of kin, like my parents and my brother who has his own family now, or even uncles and aunts, at walang nangyaring bayaran up to this day, there must be something wrong, diba? Insanity is repeating the process. However, the result is like if we are confronted with the same result over and over again, maybe we need to take a pause and look at the process that we're going through. Are we just going through the motion? Diba kung walang epekto yun, yung singila na yun for how many years now, there must be something wrong with the system and we must change it. Diba? So for accounts payable that's more than 5 years or 10 years, well, it's the risk of the creditors kung pipilitin pa rin or magdedemand ng terms and conditions that are not conventional or kung they will, as I have, as I am in need of legal advices, so do the creditors, individuals, business, company, in order for us, to seek mediation na pare-pareho kami ng pinanggagalingan, may good faith. Especially now that I will be copy furnishing these companies and individuals with my legal papers, along with the notice of how I will be affected by statement or activities nila. Gayong nagsisimula ulit ako to come back into the fold, to practice my profession. And if they will make a statement that will be detrimental or counterproductive to my intent, mas mahihirapan ako makabayad sa kanila. One of these things talaga is we must be honest and open about it. Yung intent natin, it's not masked with good words, the feel good words. Pero I really appreciate yung sinatawag natin na, say what you mean and mean what you say. So all these things had cost. It had cost a lot of funds. And the mere fact na right now, today, I'm going to bake some brownies para ibigay ko dun sa mga tumulong sa akin. Parang hindi ito yung kabayaran, consuelo lang, yung token of my appreciation and gratitude na hindi ko nalimutan ang mga tulong na ibinigay sa akin. It's just that it had taken time before I could come back and give out a more definite timetable and terms and condition kung paano kami muli makaka-move on from the interaction. So right now, throughout the day, dahil sobrang messy ng house, I will be cleaning up first. And then, hopefully I can produce a gift that I will not be ashamed of. At sana yung mga makaka-receive, they will appreciate it and make it known how they find it. Pero sana they will be kind. And once again, this is yours truly, Clarissa talaga. And I will be like making some business calls throughout the day. But pretty much, I know that this day will be filled up. Talaga. So take it slow. This is what I am also telling myself. I need to like not be overwhelmed. I have to watch my pacing so that I won't be so that I won't like rush into things and just like the old times when I had to lie down for because of my blood pressure and the fatigue, they all come at the same time, and it's very, very hard and dangerous for one's health. So I hope to just inch my way towards the day, diba? As one way of acknowledging how God has blessed me to have the kind of status and the needs na pwede kong i-address ang health constraint na yan. Because kung naiba-iba yung sitwasyon ko or iba yung ginagawa ko ngayon, I might not have that kind of liberty and luxury na rin nga siguro, to be observant of the safety measures so that the condition that I have will not worsen, and so that I could spread out well into 2015. So once again, this is yours truly, Clarissa talaga.